G'day folks, Jim Langs here from FX Charts with the currency outlook for the Finance News Network for the 13th of June. The markets had a pretty choppy day. The euro traded down to 124.5 and up to 125.25, but ultimately it's remained pretty much unchanged from this time yesterday. Currently sitting just above 125, the figure. The market seems to be largely disregarding the last weekend's bailout package for the Spanish banking system, and yields in Spain moved higher again today to over 6.8%, 6.83%, and in the process they've started to drag Italian yields higher, which doesn't look too flash looking into the future. Equity markets, though, they were a little bit higher today, and the US dollar came under a little bit of pressure purely because one of the Fed governors, Evans, has vaguely hinted at the possibility of some QE3 down the track in the States. So that's underpinned equity markets, and as I say, the euro is not going to see a one-way track to the downside because the US dollar has problems of its own. All in all, really, the markets are pretty reluctant to have anything too large in it either way ahead of the Greek election on the weekend. So really, we're just looking at a squaring process, I think, going into Friday's trade. So we've got more of the same, I think, ahead in the euro. 124.5, 125.5 should cover it. The dollar yen's doing very little, really. It's trading either side of 79.5. Sterling's a little bit better beat, despite some dovish talk and some poor data. Sterling's up at 155.70, I think it is 155.70. But that may head towards 156, but overall I don't think it's going too far. What else have we got? The Aussie and the Kiwi, they've both rallied on the back of the firmer equity markets. The Aussie looks like it's in a 99 to parity range today, and the Kiwi, that's benefited from some technical buying, and that's currently up at 77.75. There are stops in the Aussie above 100.30, but I doubt very much we're going to see that today. It doesn't look likely. Although we have got the RBA Governor Stevens talking this morning, and he's always fairly positive on the economy, so we may see a bit of underpinning for the Aussie there. We've also got Westpac leading indicators, and later in the day we've got the German CPI coming out, followed by US retail sales and PPI. That's about it. Overall, I think probably a fairly range-bound session. If you want a more comprehensive outlook on the markets, do the usual, go to the website www.fxcharts.com.au, and apart from that, please just remember that, as usual, any outlook mentioned here is a personal view only and not meant to be used as trading advice. So that's really about it. Have a very good day, and we'll talk to you tomorrow. Thanks.